Hi, if you're looking for information about OMG cryptocurrency, then you are very lucky. You are on the right video. For those who don't know, the OMG Network aims to become the most advanced decentralized exchange in the world, allowing users to seamlessly move almost any asset between borders and even between existing payment gateway giants like PayPal and Alipay. We've gathered a lot of interesting information about this cryptocurrency, the history of its creation, how it works, and how millions of dollars are made with it. Also, below this video, we will leave you a link to buy this currency. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch our other videos. Stay tuned, we are getting started.
The idea behind the product is to connect currency, exchange and payment services in real time. It will create solutions that will allow users to exchange currencies without thinking about what exactly is the counterparty's currency. And this exchange will happen without banks and other intermediaries, making transactions cheaper and faster. To understand how this will work, let's look at a simple example. Let's say you are in Thailand and you want to eat at a restaurant, but you don't have a penny of local baht money on your card or in your pocket. Usually in this case you have to either look for a local exchange or make a conversion through a bank. In both cases it takes time and you will lose 3 to 10% of your money. With OMG Network it is much easier. You eat out at a restaurant and when you need to pay you use a special app to pay in dollars or any other currency. The app converts your dollars into baht in real time and then transfers them to the restaurant. Anyone can create such an application. OMG Network has a white label SDK for their development and integration into the system. Currency conversion takes place on the platform's decentralized exchange without intermediaries, that is, faster and with much lower commissions.
OmiseGo's initial coin offering for the OMG ERC20 token took place in June 2017. 65% of OMG's total offering of 140 million was sold at about 50 cents per token. These raised more than $25 million. Of the remaining 35%, 20% remained with Omise's parent company, 10% was given to early developers of the project, and 5% was reserved for future airdrops to Ethereum wallets.
In 2019, news hit the press that OmiseGo had been bought by Thailand's largest private company, Charium Pokphand Group, for $150 million. This report turned out to be a fake. OmiseGo denied the news of the purchase. The development came to a finalized product only in the summer of 2020, when the beta version of the main OMG network with a demo wallet was launched. Meanwhile, to clean up its reputation, the startup's parent company changed its name from Omise Holding to Sinca on April 30, 2020. Also, on June 1, 2020, the project itself was rebranded from OmiseGo to OMG Network. Shortly after the launch of the main OMG network, Tether Limited announced that their stablecoin would switch to the new sidechain, as the OMG network supports thousands of transactions per second and reduces fees by 66%. In addition, the decision has also reduced the load on Ethereum. According to ETH gas station, Tether was the main consumer of gas on the Ethereum network before the integration. Even after the launch of the main OMG network, Sinca received $80 million in capital from SCB 10X, a subsidiary of Siam Commercial Bank. Other investors include Sparks, Toyota Financial Services Corporation and others.
The developers proposed a protocol called Plasma, which sought to improve the performance of the Ethereum network. While Plasma involves some fairly complex technology, it is fairly easy to understand on a conceptual level. Ethereum has had scalability issues for quite some time. Its blockchain network can only handle about 14 transactions per second.
Plasma is technically a separate blockchain, the second layer of Ethereum, which is colloquially called a daughter chain. To optimize scalability, it processes transactions in batches rather than one at a time. The OMG network describes this by comparing it to merging machines. Collecting multiple transactions and then validating them simultaneously on the underlying Ethereum blockchain can allow you to achieve exponentially higher TPS. The OMG network-specific version of Plasma uses the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which includes three components. The first is a smart contract that delivers transaction data packets to the underlying Ethereum blockchain. The second is the operator, an object that provides the processing power needed to aggregate transactions, create blocks, and send those blocks containing transactions packets to the smart contract. The third component is the observer, which monitors the network for any irregularities and ensures that the information sent by the operator to the Ethereum blockchain is correct.
The recently released beta version of the OMG Network V1 core network has only one function, albeit a very important one. It allows you to transfer Ethereum and ERC20 tokens for a third of the cost and at decent speeds. As you may have guessed, the OMG token is used to pay fees on this supersonic network and will eventually be used for betting by network watchers.
OMG Network is capable of making traditional money transfers faster and cheaper, especially if currency conversions need to be made. And anyone will be able to connect to the platform. There will be a special application and a peer-to-peer exchange for individuals, and a white label wallet for organizations. The platform allows you to store the loyalty points of users of various referral programs in one wallet. To do this, you just need to tokenize such points by creating their cryptocurrency equivalents on OMG Network. From there, they can be handled like regular tokens. OMG offers free SDK and open-source e-wallet templates through which you can create your own application with a unique UX/UI design and functionality. Since OMG Network is based on Ethereum, it allows the network to use smart contracts. They can be used quite easily to create gift cards that can be bought, sold, and transferred like any cryptocurrency. OMG Network's capabilities allow tokenization of fiat currencies by creating their digital equivalents in the form of tokens, and then these tokens can be just as easily converted into another fiat. This conversion does not require the involvement of banks or other cryptocurrencies.
The question you have to ask is where you cannot get OMG. It has over 200 trading pairs on more than 3 dozen exchanges. Unfortunately, not all of these exchanges are particularly trustworthy or even work. Fortunately, Coinbase Pro, Binance, Huobi, and Kraken are on the list.
Liquidity is excellent and trading is very active, with more than half of OMG's market capitalization traded every 24 hours. The trading volume is also fairly evenly distributed among the top 10 exchanges on which they are traded. Since OMG is an ERC20 token, it can be stored in almost any wallet that supports Ethereum. Digital wallets of OMG include Trust Wallet, Atomic Wallet, MetaMask, and My Ether Wallet. Hardware cryptocurrency wallets for OMG include Ledger, Trezor, and KeepKey. If you need more information about OMG cryptocurrency wallets, you can refer to our list of the best OmiseGo wallets.
The OMG Network roadmap is pretty short. While development seems to have been going on at its peak since 2017, it wasn't until April 2019 that they completed a testable version of their protocol. Almost all of the deadlines were missed during development, and only a few networking features have been implemented so far.
In recent YouTube video, CTO Kashima Pichai detailed the most important milestones that have been achieved since 2018. These include the development of a more viable plasma protocol in 2018, the millions of test transactions they've performed on multiple test networks since 2019, the smart contract audits done by QuantStamp and Consensus Diligence, and of course the launch of the OMG Network V1 mainnet beta. Kashima also detailed the next steps for the OMG Network, namely expanding the types of assets that can be transferred to the network beyond Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, as well as introducing a betting mechanism for observers. Currently, observers on the OMG network are also centralized and consist of trusted parties known to their development team. The exact dates when the OMG network plans to add these features to the platform have not been reported.
OMG has a pretty impressive price in history. Introduced to the markets in July 2017 at an ICO price of about 50 cents, it surged to more than $12 in the following month before dropping to around $7.
During the crypto bull run in late 2017 and early 2018, OMG reached a price of nearly $25 per token, more than double its previous high. There was a whopping 50 times the price of the ICO. Although OMG ate dirt like many other cryptocurrencies in the year that followed, it only dropped below its ICO price once, and that was this year during the flash crash in March when Bitcoin lost more than 65% of its value at one time. OMG's price has jumped slightly in recent weeks from about 50 cents to nearly $2, likely due to the long-delayed launch of the OMG Network V1 mainnet beta.
Thanks for watching this video. Check out the channel for more videos.